छायुरी धमक धमक चमक बिजुली कहते ऋतु राज आयुरी गरज गरज आज मेघ घनन घनन छायुरी धमक धमक चमक बिजुली कहते ऋतुराज आए कहते ऋतुराज आए कहते ऋतुराज आयुरी इस रुत के संग रंग हरित रंग में धरा इस रुत के संग रंग हरित रंग में धरा सब विरंग आए रंग वेद रंग में धरा इस रुत के आज रंग रंग कार की झलकार छेड़ो संग रंग घूमर घूमर कार घटा रौद्र रूप धड़के धरती का रौद्र रूप धड़के 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 गरज गरज आज मेघ घनन घनन छायुरी धमक धमक चमक बिजुली कहते ऋतुराज आए कहते ऋतुराज आए कहते ऋतुराज आयुरी। धन्यवाद।
शक्ति शुंभ निशुंभ दैत्य दलनी या सिद्धिदात्री परा या देवी नवकोटि मूर्ति सहिता पातु
और जैसे कि आप सब लोग जानते होंगे किशोर कुमार हमारे इंडिया के बहुत ही फेमस सिंगर, तो उनका एक सॉन्ग है, भले ही मुझे अभी कोई सॉन्ग याद नहीं आ रहा था, अचानक से पुष्पलता मैम ने मुझे बुला लिया, तो मुझे एक सॉन्ग जस्ट अभी याद आया, कोई बात नहीं, एक रोमांटिक सॉन्ग है, तो फिर भी मैं गाता हूँ, गाने की कोशिश करता हूँ। तो सॉन्ग का नाम है पल पल दिल के पास तुम रहती हो, जीवन मीठी प्यास तुम कहती हो। ऐसा मैं गा के दिखाता हूँ एक बार। पहले हमिंग साउंड निकालता हूँ मैं थोड़ी। जीवन मीठी प्यास ये कहती हो, हर शाम आँखों पर तेरा चल लहराए, हर रात यादों की बारात ले आए, मैं सांस लेता हूँ खुशबू महका सा पैगाम लाती है। मेरे दिल की धड़कन भी तेरे गीत गाती है। पल पल दिल के पास तुम रहती हो। कल तुझको देखा था मैंने अपने आंगन में, जैसे कह रही थी तुम मुझे बांध लो बंधन में। ये कैसा रिश्ता है, ये कैसे सपने हैं, बेगाने होकर भी क्यों लगते अपने हैं। मैं सोच में रहता हूँ, डर डर के कहता हूँ, पल पल दिल के पास तुम रहती हो। तुम सोचोगी क्यों इतना मैं तुमसे प्यार करूं। तुम समझोगी दीवाना मैं भी इकरार करूं। दीवानों की ये बातें दीवाने जानते हैं। जलने में क्या मजा है परवाने जानते हैं। तुम यूं ही जलाते रहना आकर ख्वाबों में। पल पल दिल के पास तुम रहती हो। जीवन की प्यास ये कहती हो। पल पल दिल के पास तुम रहती हो। थैंक यू।
Thank you, Devansh, for such a wonderful song. And now the moment we have all been waiting for, the announcement of results. We request our principal ma'am and the judges to kindly come forward and declare the winners of today's competitions. In meantime, I request the house masters, house appointees and the participants of dance to be ready for the photographs.
Recording is going on. Just click on this. And you know that. But recording pause मत कर. And इन लोगों को you know recording.
So first we will be having the results for the juniors category. So time for the result. Any guesses? Third prize. Any guesses? It was very difficult for us to put the marks. So we have decided to give two groups third prize. That is Baba and Boss. I request first the Baba House children and the house masters and their members, please come on the stage to have a group photograph followed by Bose House. Baba House participants, please come quickly on the stage. We will have a group photograph. And Bose House students, house masters, members, please be ready. After their photograph, your photograph will be clicked. Bose House participants, members, house masters, please come on the stage. Be ready. Once the Baba House participants they have taken the group photograph, we will go for the group photograph of Bose House. I request Linda ma'am, Pankaj sir, please come on the stage. Mali sir, you all are requested to be on the stage.
रुकना
Now, the second prize second prize goes to Sarabhai.
Sarabhai House Junior Group participants are requested to come on the stage. House masters, members, all are requested to come on the stage quickly. And as the first position is already known, I request the children of first position should also be ready. After their group photograph, your photograph will be taken.
I don't have to announce the first prize now, right? First prize goes to Raman.
keep quiet. If you want to know the results of the senior group, I want you all have to remain silent and listen to the results announced by our judges. Third position for senior. Children, junior group, settle down. I can understand that how happy you all are, but just give some time so that we can even announce the results for senior group as well. Then together you can enjoy your success. All of you are requested to maintain silence. Third position goes to for seniors. Group 2, Bhaba. And Group 3, Sarabhai. Third position, Sarabhai House. Participants, house masters, members, all are requested to come on the stage. Sarabhai House, come quickly. And Bhaba. Third position is shared by Sarabhai House and Bhaba House. So now I request Bhaba House students to come on the stage to have the group photograph. House masters, members, all are requested to come on the stage. Children, hold your breath. Now, our judges are going to announce the second and the first position. I want a complete silence. All of you, keep quiet. Here, some noise is coming from the 6th standard boys. Yes, ma'am.
And second position goes to House Bose.
Bose House, participants, house master, house mistress, members, all are requested to come on the stage. And as the first position, again it is known, I request the first position group participants be ready with the house master, members, all of them. Please come on the stage.
goes to none other than Raman.
Raman House, today it's a great day for the Raman House children because in both the groups Raman House scored the first position. So a big round of applause to Raman House, participants, house master, members, all of them a big and hearty congratulations.
अरे तुझे पुढे निघालं का तयार पडलेला बाय 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 Ma'am, congratulations, ma'am.
Children, you all are requested to be seated till you have been instructed to disperse. Participants, all the students, sit down and stop talking. I hope you all have enjoyed this group dance, the last event of co-curricular activities 2025-26. Hope that you all have enjoyed this program. So before we disperse and go back to our classes and resume our normal timetable, spend some time, sit quietly before our judges leave. I want you also should sit quietly and wait for some time.